Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing Barbie hair review documentary. Yay! Did you watch all my previous episodes yet? So I have my Saya here. So I think she got all her hair plugged finally. And today I need to make her hair more settle down. I also want to make her bangs as well, but I don't know, maybe it's so hard to make bangs at the same time. So first I want to start with pressing down the hair first, and then when they worked out I want to finally start working on bangs. Yeah, little by little. Today we need this iron. I know it's not pink. I want to get a pink one, but one of my old roommates gave me it's not breaking yet, so I still have this not pink one. It's fine. And here I have this girl, and we also need a wet towel. I know I don't have like a doll head stand, but I'm trying to do without having doll stand right now. And I'm holding her head. I'm trying to figure out the best part, you know. Sorry, I know it's hard to see because it's the black. And then Barbie towel from Barbie Harajuku 2nd anniversary. So I'm just simply holding her head like this, and I'm making bangs, but it doesn't need to be totally straight. Like hopefully a little bit separated, it looks more real, I think. Here I have towel, wet towel. Putting the wet towel on her head, starting from low temperature. I don't want to mess up. And press with iron. And listen to this sound. It's pretty satisfying. And be careful, don't press at the one spot too long. I know another method with soaking into hot water, and when I did my first try, I did with hot water, but it took longer. So this time I wanted to try this simple method first. And if it didn't work, I will do hot water method later. Scary doing this without looking, you know. I wanna see it. Do you wanna see it? Wow, it's settled! Oh my gosh. And I can totally picture it will look like Saya. Wow. Yeah, it's way easier than hot water method. Fixing a little bit and do it again. Yeah, looks good. Actually, she looks way better than when I did my first REROOT for my mini-me. This iron method is way easier than hot water. Yeah, be careful with the iron. Don't get burned. Either yourself or Barbie either. Okay, I think that's good. Separating like this looks so real. Exactly look like her bangs. You know what? Actually, I can just cut her hair and then I can finish it because her bangs, the separate part looks already good to me. But I still want to glue her bangs later, so I can show you that in next episode. Yeah, in my next episode, I will cut her hair and make her bangs perfectly. Yeah, so we are almost done. I'm so excited. There's only one part I don't like about so far. So here, can you see? I can slightly see her scalp because that style I'm doing is a little bit different from the hair she had before. Or maybe I plugged less hair than what she used to have, I think. So I really want to paint the part underneath. Maybe I can paint it right now. I don't know, I could totally mess up, but I just don't like how I'm seeing her scalp underneath. Look, now her hair is totally settled, right? I love this. I love this look. So I grabbed black acrylic paint again. I'll be extremely careful with doing this. Here. So I want to paint this part. I'm trying not to touch the hair part. I'll just paint the scalp part only, of course. think that's totally enough. It's enough. Yeah. Yeah, I will let it dry. And I know the acrylic paint will just dry in not even 15 minutes, so it won't take that long. Yeah. Look, now it looks perfect. Yeah, I don't see any scalp anymore. Happy, see it? This side is more settled down, but this side is still like boom, you know. But top part is already settled. So when I still have to cover with the towel again, but now press more from side. Not on the top, but from the side. That's it. See? Now it's more settled. Overall, on this process, I would totally recommend using the iron because like I told you, I also did hot water soaking method before, but using iron is way easier and faster. Yeah, I totally love this method. Cannot wait. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine.